Jasmy price prediction. Right now, we can see that basically in the last video on Friday, I said we're gonna dump. I said that for coins across the board, we dumped almost 20, actually over 20% at the bottom. It was a very quick trade, so we couldn't really have the take the bottom take profit at the bottom unless you had limit orders. But we did have a good short here, and now I'm looking to buy some, and I'll tell you why within this video. So basically, this video is not financial advice. I just want to say that next 1 to 3 days, green or sides, basically, or flat, and that's basically because of view of curving up on the daily chart. Not only that, but we're seeing massive accumulation across the board on everything except for Sol. So yeah, do check it out. I'll have links in the description down below if you want to learn from me how I made 274 grand trading meme coins with technical analysis, by the way, not fundamentals. And I'll have links to Signals Chat course and also to Bing X, which are giving away over 8 grand worth of bonuses right now. So do check them out. See you next video. Bye.